Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lakeridge is a modern residential neighborhood located in the northwest part of Regina. It's a relatively newer area compared to some of Regina's older communities, with most development taking place from the late 1990s into the early 2000s. This growth reflects a period when Regina continued expanding outward, offering more housing options for its steadily growing population, which today sits at just over 220,000 people. Lakeridge was designed with contemporary suburban planning in mind. The neighborhood features a mix of single-family homes, townhouses, and some low-density residential developments, giving it a balanced and modern feel. Streets are curved and quieter than grid-style layouts, helping reduce traffic and create a more peaceful environment for residents. This design approach is common in newer Canadian suburbs, where comfort and safety are key priorities. One of the defining characteristics of Lakeridge is its access to green space and water features. The neighborhood includes several parks, walking paths, and small lakes that give the area its name. These spaces provide residents with places to walk, cycle, and relax, while also adding to the overall visual appeal of the community. For visitors, this offers a pleasant and scenic look at how newer neighborhoods in Regina are designed to blend residential living with outdoor space. Lakeridge also benefits from its proximity to essential services. Schools, shopping areas, and recreational facilities are located nearby, making daily life convenient for residents. Larger retail centers are just a short drive away, and major roads provide easy access to other parts of the city. While Lakeridge itself is primarily residential, it gives travelers a realistic view of how many people in Regina live today, comfortable, suburban, and closely connected to amenities. Like all of Regina, Lakeridge experiences the full range of prairie weather. Winters are cold and often snowy, while summers are warm and bright, with long daylight hours. These seasonal changes shape the rhythm of life here, influencing everything from outdoor activities to how homes are built and maintained. The contrast between seasons is one of the defining features of living in this part of Canada. Regina itself is the capital of Saskatchewan and serves as the political and cultural heart of the province. Originally established as a small settlement in the 1880s, Regina became the territorial capital in 1883 and was later named after Queen Victoria, whose Latin title was Regina, meaning Queen. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway played a major role in its early growth, connecting the city to the rest of the country. One of the most defining moments in Regina's history occurred in 1912, when it officially became the capital of the newly formed province of Saskatchewan. Over time, the city developed into a center for government, education, and agriculture. Regina is also known for the Royal Canadian Mounted Police Training Academy, often referred to as the Depot Division, which has been located here since 1885. The city faced significant challenges as well, including the Regina Cyclone of 1912, one of the deadliest tornadoes in Canadian history. It caused widespread destruction and loss of life, but the city rebuilt and continued to grow. Today, Regina is a modern prairie city with a diverse economy that includes government services, agriculture, energy, and manufacturing. It is also home to Wascana Center, one of the largest urban parks in North America, offering scenic views, walking trails, and cultural landmarks. This area serves as a gathering place for both locals and visitors throughout the year. Culturally, Regina has a strong arts and sports scene. It is home to the Saskatchewan Roughriders, a team with a passionate fan base that spans the entire province. Events, festivals, and museums add to the city's appeal, giving travelers a chance to experience both history and contemporary prairie life. For visitors, Regina offers a blend of history, open space, and a slower pace that reflects its prairie roots. It provides a clear picture of life in central Canada, grounded, resilient, and shaped by the wide open landscape that surrounds it.
Thanks for watching!